Hello, this is just a quick little video on how I make my stereo views using Photoshop. So my template here, I'm going to put a copy free in the description for the video, is based on a 19th century stereo view. So the image size of this is in inches because it's old measurements, and it's 7 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall. And I've just gone from a neutral grey colour border, but black's quite popular. Generally you don't want it to be too bright, you don't want it to distract your eye away from looking at the stereo view. Okay, so I have here my scans from Analog Wonderland, and I was going to grab the image. This is the pair. I was going to drag them in. Okay. So we want to space these out, and I want to double check that I'm getting the right way round. So I'm just looking at that post at the bottom, as in how much of it in the frame. That one's the left one, because the post is slightly closer to the left side of the frame, and that one's the right one because it's slightly further away from the left side of the frame. There we go, that way around. Okay, and I'm just going to put both of those underneath my background. So already it's starting to look a lot better. It's not right though, but we'll get it there. Okay, so I need to resize these. The images are a bit too big for the cards, so I need to rasterize them. Yes, do that for both. And just to keep it easier for myself, I'm going to rename these layers right and left. There we go. Okay, and I'm just going to size these down to fit comfortably. Now, the stereo camera I use, they're not the same dimensions as the Aero, so there's a little bit cropping, but that's a good thing, because you want to be able to make sure you've got enough room in the image that you can realign stuff as you need to. So the first one's done. Second one, edit, edit, transform, again. There we go. Okay. So now I've got those roughly lined up. It's not far off. But I'm using these rulers, and these are an absolute brilliant tool. If you've not used them before, the way you get them is from the rulers at the edge. You can drag these guidelines down, and you can put in as many as you want from either side. And I'm just using them to make sure that what I want to be lined up is lined up. Now it's not. My right one's a bit too low. So I'm just going to tap it up. There we go, that's about right. And I check on other parts of the image. You're not going to get every point the same because of perspective. All the main ones. And that is it. To add to this, there are some text layers for it. So quite often, traditional cards would have the branding of the publishing company and their contact details on the card. This is a nice thing to keep on doing, and a tradition I keep the same. So I keep my branding on the left hand side, my contact details on the right, and then the caption for the image underneath. And I'm going to make sure all these layers are ready for you to use as you so wish. Hope this helps and look forward to your feedback. Bye for now.